In this video, we're going to talk about what is Reddit and how does it work. Firstly, as you open up your side screen selection on your application on Reddit, and as you can see right down, you have 6 different options on which you can simply go on the feed screen. You can take it right here to discover something, for example, accounts, user sites. You can take off to a community, which is sports, technology, and all that stuff. For example, if you go for technology, from here we can find out related topics which are on that site. As you can go on the plus icon on the create section, from here we can add image, video, text, link, poll, or you can simply talk and get it to your account, or simply getting to a side screen section on your Reddit. Also, if you go on the fourth option right down, it is on a message site or a chat selection, which you can chat with someone which you know on Reddit. This is like, for example, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. And the last option, it is notificationable bar, which from here you can check it over your inbox sessions from your notifications. Also here the message setups which are on your inbox setup and all that stuff. And you can take new messages and all that selection. And if you tap on your right upper side on your profile icon, if you go my profile, from here you can find out how your profile looks like on your Reddit section. You can add social link, From here on post, you can see whatever you have posted on your side screen. You can find out all the comments which are taken over on your side screen. As you can see right here, I don't have any comments of it. I can see what I have on about me section on my side screen and all that stuff. I can simply go share my profile on whatever account I want, or for example, I can share it to another application and all that stuff. I can edit it if I want.